I think so.
Go, Daddy.
Outfit check.
Good morning guys. So ngayon, pababa tayo ngayon with my family kasi magbe-breakfast kami. So ngayon guys, lalabas kami. Doon lang sa labas lang. Titignan lang namin kung ano yung lamig. Kung malamig ba. Kasi sakto naka-palda siya. And kami ni Asher naka-jacket. Sakto kasi oy, di naman masyado malamig. Diba? Pakita namin sa inyo yung labas ng Chacto Casino. Yung surroundings. Guys. Ay, hindi. Guys, nandito pala kami ngayon sa Grand Tower. Grand Tower pala tong pinagstayan namin. Eto. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, no? Ayun guys, ayun yung entrance. Dito pala kami ngayon sa Grand Tower. Ayun. Ang schedule namin is manonood kami mamaya ng Super Bowl. It's a football between Seattle and New Patriot. So ngayon magbe-breakfast muna kami sa Grand Cafe. Alright, samahan nyo kami guys. Guys, nandito kami sa Grand Cafe and we're gonna eat breakfast.
It's a breakfast product.
So guys, ito yung...
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, good, are you?
Yun.
And one pancakes now. Yeah, a little bit.
I'll do overload.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
And that's it.
Can you want white toast, sweet toast, or biscuit with that grand breakfast? Biscuit.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And then what else?
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, thank you.
Y'all want sugar-free syrup or regular syrup?
Do we have syrup here?
No, I got some right here.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I will just take picture.
So guys, this is our breakfast. Grand breakfast. This one may kasamang biscuit, patty, bacon, egg, hash brown. Alam ko yung nasa isip ng nanay niya. Put! To!
I said, hold on. I said, hold on. I will help you. Look what you did. Look what you did.
So guys, let's eat!
Look mo muna sa mami.
So yun guys, tatry natin tong $20 pancake. Pero parang mukhang mas masarap yung pancake ni Macy's. Perfect. Tama ako.
You want egg? You want egg? You want egg?
Bread. Bread.
This is not bread. That's mashed potato.
But look, beyond this.
Oh, you want this? How about this? This is the biscuit you said.
This big shit is that thing. No, let's try. I like the white one.
You like that?
Okay.
That's the last one.
Okay. everybody like a white one better than the chocolate?
I think so. Excited?
Thank you.
Oh, hold it properly para hindi mahulog.
Let's try it.
Oo. Thank you. You too, thank you. Is it like Starbucks?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like ice cream.
Like ice cream? Can I try it? You're gonna give me? Oh, is it cold?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
Oh,
Oh! You fell? Mmm! O later, buy pa tayo. Yung pa mamaya, yung chocolate naman.
yeah.
Okay. Tignan muna ako. And mommy, bought you that.
Thank you.
So guys, dito sa casino kasi, libre yung mga drinks. So, every time na pumupunta ka ng casino, libre yung drinks. Pero, di mo alam, yung pera mo na pinangkakasino, yun yung pinambabayad mo dyan. Yan. Gala muna kami ngayon, this morning, for an hour. Kasi mga kasama namin, mga tulog pa. So, ikot-ikot muna tayo dito sa casino. Dito tayo yata later. So, later, we're gonna be here for Super Bowl. For Super Bowl 2026.
Tingnan nga natin ang menu nila. Oops! Careful, careful.
Uy, mukhang masarap yung burger, oh. Wala masyado naglalaro. Kasi, it's early in the morning. And, yun. So, today guys, balik tayo dun sa may parang bowling. Pero this time, dun tayo sa may arcade. Kasi, pag may bata talagang kasama, minsan nakakainis. Ay, hindi, nakaka-excite kasi gusto niya lang maglaro. 'Di ba? Hindi ka gagastos sa mga slot machine. Sa arcade tayo today. While waiting for yung kasama namin. Gusto niya maglaro guys. So, ayan, maglo-load tayo. $20. Yun! $20 plus 5. Okay, so may free $5 game tayo. Yan. Ayan. Go! Shoot mo dun sa 1,000. You need to shoot it.
The white one.
Yeah, the white one. Oh, 250. Good shot. Oh, again. One more chance.
Uy, konti na lang.
Go. Throw. Alright guys, we're gonna try this one again, yung big ball. Yung first punta natin dito, nakakuha kami.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Hold on. There's a small ball pits.
Yeah.
That's,
But the
yeah.
prices are the big one.
What do you want? The big one or small one? Okay, we're gonna try small one. We're gonna try what color?
Blue.
Blue. Ay!
Go daddy.
Oh, no.
Ay, shit.
Oh!
Oh! Ang bilis! Nanalo. Nanalo pa ako? Oh.
Oh, this one, yellow, yellow. Good job.
Don't spill it. What? Good
Good job. The other one. Okay.
Blue one.
Yeah. Good.
Good job.
Good job.
Go, Daddy, shoot! Oh. 2,000!
9,000 ka na. Go.
Linga!
Go, other one.
Oh.
Tanggal! Nandiyan na si Rigor!
Igor?
Si Rigor!
I want it done! Finally.
Okay, nag-enjoy?
Me too.
Malaki, malaki.
Grab a bunch of balls.
Those poo-poos.
Shovel it in.
Oh no, go. Go. Go.
Faster.
Go, faster.
Time's up. Boom. Toss the balls in the toilet, but you gotta be quick.
Linga!
Before the lids slam down and more aim is the trick. To win the bonus 50 bucks.
Go. 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 Go.
Look at me!
Okay, go. 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 Wait a minute. Go. 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 Faster. Faster. Like this.
Ah,
Oh, then get down. Faster. Faster. Jump. 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 Here. 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 Okay. Go. 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 Jump. Ana. Nice ticket. And
What's this? I want this.
I don't know what's that. Super popper.
Yeah, I want this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
What color?
Red.
Is it red?
Yeah.
Red. Is it red right here?
Thank you.
You got 21 points left. Usually, what I like to do is flip it in and just hold it kind of like sideways.
I know what's this.
Oh, okay.
I know what's this.
Just ka pa din.
That.
How?
Lollipop.
20.
Lollipop.
Yeah, fine.
I know what's this.
Can I use it?
Yeah, look. Let me show you how.
Okay.
Let me show you how. Daddy,
Show me, go.
huh?
I will show. See?
I know what's this. Me.
More. Bend it more. Yan.
Like this.
Yan. Good job. Come on.
So guys, we're heading back upstairs. Maakyat na kami kasi tapos na kami. And magre-ready na kami for Super Bowl. Sana gising na yung mga kasama namin. Ayan. Tapos na kami mag-play dun sa may arcade. On the way na kami. Paakyat. Mamaya magkakasino tayo. Subukan nating waldasin yung mga binigay sa amin.
Wow.
Are we Super Bowl
Tell
ready?
me that. So, I tell it first. So, first one. It's because there's pepper in it.
I said I wouldn't be mad. Patriots won. I want the Seahawks to. I don't care that much. Yeah, I'm not gonna get out my phone. Yeah. I'll say.
Guys, day 2. Day 2 kami here. Ayan, sa Choctaw. And ngayon lang sila nabuhay. Say hello!
Shalom, back at it again.
They just woke up. It's 4:33.
Hey, I've been awake since 9.
4:30.
They just got out from their room. Around 3.
Hi! As you can see, we are wearing our cowboy shirt right now. And Asher too. Look. Go cowboy! Yes, kasi ngayon yung game ng ngayon ang Super Bowl. So, hindi maglalaro ang Cowboys pero we're wearing it to support our friend. So, right now, nandito kami sa casino pa din. Nag-roam around kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. So, look. Napakalawak! Napakalawak! Oh, diba? Naghahanap kami ng dessert. Kasi si Asher gusto niya ng something sweet after dinner. So, yeah. Grabe, hindi masyadong matao ngayon kasi siguro Super Bowl, yung mga tao nanonood. Dito kasi parang sobrang sporty sila eh. So, nakatutok sila sa laro, sa game. Look, walang masyadong tao. Oh, and it's so early pa kasi, 6:18. Usually, di ba, pag sa casino, pag medyo late na, dun mas maraming tao. Kaya siguro, wala pa masyado. Pilihan ng damit dito. Ang pangalan ay Kendra Scott. So, ayan. Kasi tomorrow, uuwi na kami. Dito kami last year sa building na to. Actually, same pa din naman ng Choctaw, pero magkaibang building lang. Ang building natin ngayon is...
And I
Sky.
just ride in the
Hindi, yun ngayon.
Grand.
Nasa Grand Building kami and this is the Sky Building. Pero mas maganda pa rin yung Sky Building kasi parang bago lang siya, no? Compare sa hotel natin ngayon.
Tsaka less.
Yeah, less smoky dito. I mean, it's non-smoking area dito, so mas maganda. Siyempre, gusto natin yung mga pailaw-ilaw na ganito, gumaganda tayo, kaya dito tayo. Yan, mas maliwanag dito. Hold on, dito kayo sa likod ko, magpipicture tayo. Hold on. Dun. Yan, ang ganda kasi ng lighting, guys. Kaya nagpicture kami. So, gumaganda ako sa lighting. So, ayan. Ito na! Kasi si Asher nag-request ng Starbucks. So, nandito na kami sa Starbucks. Yeah!
Guess who's here?
Tell Daddy, what do you want? The lolly cake or Starbucks? Choose one.
Kung bibilang kita ng... Doon tayo sa kabila bibili ng Starbucks. Sige. Oh, mag-walk ka. Okay?
Kasi palagi siya nagpapabuhat sa amin.
Bibilang kita ng
Gusto namin maglakad siya. Ayan.
Balik na tayo.
Ha? Balik na tayo? Bakit? Dito?
Tatay ako.
Okay na tayo?
Ayan.
Ako, gusto ko na. Ayan. Yeah. We're going in the room. So, ayan. Pabalik na kami sa room. Last year, dito kami kumain. Last year, dyan kami kumain. Salt and Stone. Okay naman. Masarap naman yung food. Lalo na yung pasta nila na gustuhan ko. Kaya sabi ko kay Jet, babalikan pa namin. Pero hindi na namin nabalikan. Siguro next time, babalikan na. Diba? Right, Daddy? Next time. So, babalik na kami. Okay, I'll take a picture of you. Gusto daw niya mag-picture doon kasi last year nag-picture kami dyan. Okay, 1, 2. One more, 1, 2. Yan, gustong-gusto niya yung Stanley. So, may natatae, guys. Sabi niya, mag-roam around kami, pero wala, natatae siya. Suportahan natin siya, kasi bawal magpigil ng pupo. Diyan kami pumasok kanina. So, ayan, ito na yung smoking area. Ayoko yung amoy dito kasi amoy na amoy mo yung usok. Which is, na-irritate yung lungs ko. Lungs! Tara, samahan nyo kami hanggang sa room. Okay? Kasi babalik na kami ng room. Wala na kaming gagawin dito sa baba. Tapos, medyo nakakahilo yung amoy ng usok dito. Why you wanna take a break?
I just ate a lot.
He said he wants to take a break because he ate a lot. Tignan nyo kung sino nagpabuhat. Napagod ang aming anak. Napagod ang bata. Di na tayo bibili ng bakery. Mamaya na lang.
Wala naman. Para di na tayo.
Tara.
Mamaya, ako kasi bababa.
Okay. So, balak namin bumili ulit. Or mamaya na lang.
Sige.
Kasi busog pa naman. Ay, nandito na kami sa elevator. I think, mag-i-stay na lang kami sa room. Kasi may batang napagod na.
Kakarat lang. Dikit na natin yung gamit, no? Or nilambring natin.
Dito tayo. Baka may bababa.
Ang galing mo.
Siyempre.
He watched the game too.
Yeah. He likes football.
Yung handbag pa lang. Stop, may gaydar.
Lapit na kami sa hotel room. Pagod na ako. Tomorrow we're going home na.
Sa school lang.
Finally.
School na sa mama.
Oh, Mommy, but
Chiching wala.
Mommy,
Mami iyon. Outfit check. Outfit check.